Hi, I'm Andrew Ding, and I made a SeeSaw.
No one's gonna build this. No one has a part for it. Put it in that black
Well,
bag.
my goal is to make a working SeeSaw.
Put it inside the bag.
Design. A rectangular shaped cardboard is moved up or down. It's controlled by a motor, and two ultrasonic sensors detect the distance that the cardboard is from it, and then the motor moves the cardboard up and down depending on the distance. Build. I used a Raspberry Pi, two ultrasonic sensors, three male wires, one servo motor, two LED resistors, one breadboard, a lot of cardboard, a big amount of hot glue, a big amount of tape, and 19 mil finger wires. Program. This is my setup part where I set up all the Chicago stuff. This is like the motor setup and setting up the ultrasonic sensors for if it moves the cardboard up or down, and pi. Yeah. I tested this 43 times. The problem was that the SeeSaw kept breaking, so I had to cut down some cardboard so there's less weight on it. If I had more time, I would decorate my SeeSaw more so it looks more than just a piece of cardboard like that. Oh yeah. Oh, no one can even see it.
It might be better if you guys move the camera instead of
What? Oh, wrong keyboard.
Wrong keyboard. You have two keyboards.
Yeah.
That's the best thing I've ever seen.